Kitchen organization comes in two categories. There's the aspirational sort of organization, which is all about aesthetics. Think pretty woven baskets, attractive bins, and calligraphy labels. Less exciting, though no less important, is the practical sort of organization. So in this video we will discuss 5 best under-sink organizers. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. STORi 2-Pack Sink Organizer. The STORi Audrey Stackable Cosmetic Organizer is a tidy way to organize your makeup under your sink, on the shelves in your bathroom closet, or even on your vanity in full view. This clean-looking set works well side by side or stacked, whatever your space allows. Plus, if you ever feel like expanding, it can be paired with the rest of the available cosmetic collection. The clear design lets you check your cosmetics at a glance and works well with any decor. You can keep units clean with just a damp sponge and a little soap and water. If you have a preference in drawer size, since your palettes, foundations, or nail polishes are already on your mind, know there are 3 sizes to pick from. You may notice the drawers are not super smooth at all times, and that the somewhat bulky organizer doesn't leave much room for other bins or baskets in your cabinet. What we like: clean, clear design, spacious drawers, can work side by side or stacked. What we don't like: drawers can have trouble sliding, slightly bulky design. Number 2. Simple Houseware Sink Organizer. Simple Houseware's under-sink basket organizer features a metal construction that's stackable, durable, and fits any aesthetic. It can work in various spaces where you're hoping to stay organized for a long time. Stack 2 under a sink or up to 4 on a kitchen countertop. The organizer is available in 4 colors, including bronze, pink, silver, and white, and you'll find that it's worthy of displaying in a prime location. This organizer makes for easy storage of randomly sized supplies, whether for the kitchen, laundry room, or bathroom. While full assembly is required, you won't need any tools to put this item together. Notably, since the organizers feature a flat, firm top, you can also place several of them side by side in addition to stacking them. What we like: attractive and durable design, very spacious, available in multiple colors. What we don't like: full assembly is required. Number 3. Polder Sink Organizer. Sturdy, spacious, and easy to lift when needed, the Polder under-sink cleaning caddy accommodates under the sink pipes or other hardware that might be present. Plus, it features a snap-on accessory cup that'll hold tools upright, and you can detach and reattach it as you wish. Stainless steel rails across the back give you a space to hang damp washcloths or gloves to dry. This rugged caddy is a little on the large side, so it may not fit under tiny sink areas, but it works well for those who have spacious cabinets they're trying to maximize and organize. The bottom tray features an adjustable divider so you can customize each side according to the supplies you're storing. Lastly, as with most plastic organizers, this one wipes clean swiftly with a damp cloth. What we like: can be carried when needed, accommodates piping under sink, accessory cup. What we don't like: only one color is available, a little bulky. Number 4. Avaspot Sink Organizer. The Avaspot 2-tier under-sink organizers can hold a wide range of necessities and fit under most sinks, earning them our best overall title. We love that these organizers come in a 2-pack, so you don't have to initially order multiple. They're supported by rust-proof metal tubes, in contrast to their otherwise all-plastic composition, so you can load them up with your largest shampoo or skincare bottles without worrying about the weight capacity. Perfect for a variety of spots in your home. Aside from just under the sink, these baskets have drainage holes, so you can place shower toiletries in them without worrying about water pooling. Their narrow design allows them to comfortably share space with pipes, garbage disposals, or other under-sink hardware. While we love that these organizers come with a plastic hook, we don't recommend storing any particularly heavy items on the hook, as it may not be strong enough to support their weight. What we like: draining holes, narrow design, easy to assemble. What we don't like: plastic hooks may not be best for heavy objects. Number 5. YouCopia Sink Organizer. Need something easy and super accessible to organize your under-sink supplies? Give the Sink Suite under-sink turntable from YouCopia a try. You can place your items into the spinning organizer, using the adjustable dividers to create customized compartments just the right size. The turntable elevates and rotates your necessities, allowing you to see everything you have under the sink with a quick spin. There's also no need for assembly, either, as the only extra pieces included are your adjustable dividers, which can be placed in any way you like. In addition, the unit can hold up to 30 pounds and is still easy to spin as you fill it. It also stays in place in your cabinet with the help of non-slip pads. Constructed of BPA-free plastic, this thoughtful organizer cleans up easily with the swipe of a damp cloth. What we like: sturdy design. Holds up to 30 pounds. Easy to clean. What we don't like: dividers can fall out of place. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.